Hi micro majors, welcome to the Growing Microbes module. My name is Alyssa and today I will be showing you how to make your own nutrient agar plates. To begin with, let's figure out how much powdered media we will need to weigh out. If each plate holds 25 milliliters of agar and we want to pour 5 agar plates, we will need to make approximately 125 milliliters of agar. To make 125 milliliters of agar, how many grams of media would we need to use? Feel free to pause the video and perform the calculation on your own before we continue. Hint, to make 1 liter of media, we need 40 grams of nutrient media. So if we're making 125 milliliters, the answer to this calculation is that we will need to weigh out 5 grams of agar powder to make 125 milliliters. So go ahead and turn on your weigh scale, put on the weigh boat and tare it, and then measure out 5 grams of your agar powder. You should have roughly 5 grams of nutrient powder to use for this module. Now, using your serological pipette, you're going to measure out 125 milliliters of water in your microwavable cup. If you have a 25 microliter tip, that means that you will just have to fill this up and pipette it into your new flask 5 times. Once you have measured out both of your media and your agar powder, mix them together in your microwavable flask, swirl, and then you're going to microwave your media powder in your water for about 30 seconds to a minute until boiling. Be careful not to burn your hands when working with hot water in media. Once your media has been heated and returned to room temperature, immediately swirl the container, and you can use your tongue depressor to mix it extra well. Now you can begin to pour the plates and try to pour roughly 25 milliliters into each plate. The important thing is to make sure that you cover the bottom completely. Let the plates sit at room temperature until the agar has solidified. Once the media has become solid, you're going to want to invert and refrigerate all 5 plates to prevent contamination. Make sure to keep the plates you make for the Isolating Microbes module. See you next time.